okay, you ask, what has somebody done for other people? What are they doing to build? What are they doing as a leader? Because most of us are looking to receive something in return for pain we've gone through. We're looking for some type of karma, some type of retribution, or some type of payoff. It's kind of unfortunate because, like, when you talk about the murder of a lot of black youth and all these news stories we see, you go back and look, and then the payoff is taken. But when the parents take the payoff, you don't hear nothing else about these stories. So if when you look at all the things that are stereotypes that people use to tear us down about, the reversal of roles. So we have to fight against the stereotypes. And when you fight against the stereotypes, it's not necessarily about what you do for somebody else. Because you have to do for yourself before you can do for somebody else. And we all have flaws. So when somebody comes at you like that, that's usually because they're probably trying to either get something from you or from somebody, or because they're trying to obtain some type of stature and leadership role, and they want to make sure that they push you aside and they start doing things. Because you got to understand, it's people who will be financing both sides of a war, both sides of a protest. So when you understand all these things, you see the trickery and how the shit really works, and you don't really try to get too much into picking sides. So that's what I want to say. I want to tell everybody, fight against stereotypes. It's not always about what you do for other people. Now, that doesn't mean that you shouldn't do, or that it shouldn't be applauded or shouldn't be recognized when people do good things. It's just to say that we have to start from the root of the problem. You see what I'm saying? So that's what it's all about. Supporting your own, whether that be your family, close friends, whatever you consider your core group. When you find a core group of more people who are like-minded, who share common interests, that's what you do. How do you really make a difference in the community? You really make a difference in the community by doing the things you need to do as an individual. You make a difference in the community by making a change in yourself.